Pulte, your home's quality is our top priority because it's more than 4 walls and a roof, more than a financial investment. It's about laying a strong foundation for your future. That's why we partner with industry leaders to source high-quality materials and hold ourselves to a thorough and transparent building process. That's the Pulte difference. It all starts with you. With a variety of flexible floor plans and innovative design features, your home will be built and personalized around how you and your family want to live. So while you worry about what color to paint the living room, we'll focus on ensuring that what's behind the walls is top-notch quality. From the moment we break ground, your family's new home will be held not only to local building requirements, but to our own Pulte construction standards as well. Throughout the building process, both our construction managers and third-party inspectors will verify that your home meets or exceeds these standards through inspections. Additionally, as part of our build quality experience, our construction managers will be with you every step of the way, communicating through our customer portal and turning the complex process of home building into what it should be, the exciting start of your next chapter. But Pulte's commitment to quality doesn't stop there. During framing, we utilize high-quality materials and industry-leading techniques to help guard against mold and mildew with our water prevention system. We'll also install the optimal insulation for your local climate to better protect against drafts and air leaks. This whole home approach to insulation is part of the Pulte Energy Advantage, which is designed to promote quality, energy efficiency, and helps put savings in your pocket long after your home's completion. For over 75 years, Pulte has been building homes that stand the test of time. Our customers' homes are constructed well above the industry standard and are backed by a 10-year limited structural warranty and a 5-year water infiltration warranty for your peace of mind. To start your own Pulte home building journey, visit our website or one of our communities for an in-person tour. Pulte, more life built in.